What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Ford Bronco Sport. Today I'm going to show you how to locate your cabin filter. You're going to need to lower the glove box, but first thing we're going to need to do is disconnect the damper that we have here. And all you got to do is pull it to disconnect it. Sometimes these can be kind of tight. You might have to use a flathead screwdriver to help you, okay? Especially the first time. It won't be that easy, so. But now you have these stoppers here. I'm just going to push in both sides. This is going to lower the glove box down. And the cabin filter's in here. We're going to need to go ahead and push these to the sides, on both sides, to open this door up. Okay. So do that. There's the filter. This one is like super brand new, so we're not actually going to change it today. But if you need one, I'm going to leave you a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get some new ones. You want to check that out. But when you get your new one, just slide this guy right back in. Okay. And it tells you the airflow, so just make sure you do it just like that says. And then we just snap this guy back together. And I just close this door up. Then we hook the damper back up. It pops together. And we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it did, I really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.